Good evening from SeaWorld Orlando. It is officially Electric Ocean season, so Seven Seas Food Festival has ended. It is now summertime here, so they do have some food booths for Electric Ocean this year for the first time. But Electric Ocean is all about Club Sea Glow and of course Ignite, which has been taken to the next level this year. It is now Ignite 360, so you can watch it from anywhere around the main lagoon. I did come and watch it, I want to say 2 weeks ago. Just as good as last year, if not slightly better. But Amanda hasn't seen it this year. So we had to come back. I'm gonna film it this time. We love the show. So it is late. It's only about an hour and a half before park closing, but we really just came. We'll walk around for a little bit. We have some sea bucks to spend, and then we will watch Ignite. Yeah, they just gave us bonus $10 sea bucks. We have another $10 coming next month, so no shortage of money to spend here on SeaWorld merchandise. All right, and then outside we of course have the whole section of all of the different merchandise for the different roller coasters. And since Icebreaker has opened, SeaWorld has officially rebranded themselves as the coaster capital of Orlando. So they have some merchandise celebrating that as well. So here's all of the different Manta stuff. Really like that tie-dye bottle at the bottom. But then here's all of the SeaWorld Coaster Capital of Orlando merchandise. So I actually got this shirt because I really love the design they came up with for it. They have a hat, a mug, and a tumbler, all with the Coaster Capital logo. And then here we have some Mako and Kraken. I don't see either of those shirts. They may be sold out, or maybe they were inside the store and I missed them. But they do, of course, have mugs and tumblers for each as well. They do appear to be, yep, they are insulated. So if you have your favorite roller coaster here, they've got some really fun ones. This Mako one's really nice as well. And of course, just like inside, these can all be used for drink refills throughout the park. They've also restocked a lot of their Under Armour, so they kind of ran out of Under Armour clothing for a while. It's now back, which I do appreciate that they do collaborate with Under Armour, since it just makes sense to have dry fit clothing when you're at a theme park in Florida. So they do have a dry fit polo, they got an Under Armour sweatshirt, some more polo shirt options, got a long sleeve dry fit shirt there, a 3/4 zip pullover, another long sleeve shirt with the logo on the sleeve, and then a striped 3/4 slip pullover as well. And then at the final entrance, they do have a new collection as well. I'm gonna call it the Neon Collection. I don't know if it has a name, but it definitely has Electric Ocean vibes. So if you're a fan of neon, it is really nice. They got this black water bottle and a pink version, a pink hat, which has a black mesh back to it. Got this super fun mug, and I do love that they've really just gone all in using the retro logo now. And then we've got this pocket shirt with the neon on the back, and keep walking around. Got a sweatshirt here, a black version of the hat, got a stemless wine tumbler, some neon colored magnets for dolphins, penguins, sea turtles, and manatees, and there's an orca version as well. Oh, this is fun, like a tie-dye long sleeve shirt with that design. And then finally, we also have, it looks like, a blue shirt as well. We are heading to the waterfront, and of course the arch has been redone for Electric Ocean. Got a whole tentacle coming out of the side of it. But it has been raining throughout the day, so hopefully it's not like super packed and people left. But we'll definitely see as we start walking around the park. We are heading back to Waterway Grill before it closes, but I don't think we've actually filmed since SeaWorld has officially announced the new roller coaster that is coming. So they announced a little teaser video with the hashtag, I think it was surf advisory, high surf advisory. So the rumors have indicated it will be the first ever surfing roller coaster. And the first little teaser we got showed that it will indeed be a stand-up roller coaster with a surfboard-looking ride vehicle. So that's going to be very exciting and a good addition to the SeaWorld roller coaster lineup. Of course, we got Club Sea Glow that's going to be happening over here at Bayside Stadium, where we'll be watching the fireworks. But we're heading over to Waterway Grill because they have brought back, for this year, free beer. So if you're here for the entire summer through August, you can go over to Waterway Grill up to an hour before park closing, and you can get a free, I want to say, 7-ounce beer or something like that. So age 21 and up gets free beer, 1 per day for the entire summer, which is super nice. So we're gonna see if we can make it over before it closes in about 15 minutes or so. If not, no big deal, but might as well take advantage of that. We are passing Icebreaker, which had a 45-minute wait at the moment, but we do have some new Electric Ocean decorations over here, which look nice. A new medallion for Icebreaker. with all of the vibrancy of Electric Ocean. They still have not reopened this entrance since the pandemic, so you still have to enter the exhibit through the gift shop. So who knows if that'll ever reopen again, hopefully someday. But back here, right between between Wild Arctic and Sesame Street Land is one of the food booths for Electric Ocean. So it's definitely not as many booths as craft beer or Seven Seas Food Festival would have, but they do have some booths. So this one looks like it has a cheesesteak, sausage, some beers, and a frozen basil mint cocktail of some form. So Electric Ocean goes through September 5th. It will overlap Craft Beer Festival, which begins in August. With about 5 minutes to spare, I did make it to Waterway Grill. At the bar is where they are giving out the free beer. There is, I guess, one free beer that they kind of give out for the day, so you don't necessarily get to pick, but they are rotating it throughout the rest of the summer. So I think it was a hops beer today, so you get this nice little sample size of free beer. And again, it's one per day. They just check your ID, so as long as you're 21, make sure to stop in here. Now through, I want to say it was mid-August, they'll be giving out free beer. And over at Busch Gardens, you actually get 2 free beers a day. So we'll hopefully be out there sometime in July to kind of check out their summer offerings. But here at SeaWorld, you will find it at the Waterway Bar. Over here at Nautilus Theater is where they are doing the Elmo Rocks show. So it looks like today they had 3 different times for it, but this is part of Electric Ocean's lineup. So if you're here during the day, you'll find Elmo's Rocks over by the Shark Wreck Reef area, right to the right-hand side of Mako's entrance. The main doors will be right here. Over here at the walkway between Shark Wreck Reef and the waterfront, we've got some fun string lights and decorations. Big Electric Ocean sign over here. But we're just trying to kill some time. There's about 15 minutes until Ignite, and we don't need to quite get a seat yet. So we're just trying to look at our options on what we want to use our Sea-Bucks on, and then we'll go get a spot. So we're gonna explore the waterfront a little bit, see what else we can find before the fireworks begin. We have our seats for Ignite. It's just about a few minutes away. I am very excited for what is one of our favorite shows in Orlando. going to be it for this visit out to SeaWorld. Ignite was still the best. I love it.
That is one of the best fireworks shows.
It's wild. If you can see it, definitely come out during Electric Ocean. Check it out. It's a fun show. And yeah, we just really kind of walked around. We found some stuff to spend our $10 on. We bought some glasses for our house.
Yes.
So still very appreciative that SeaWorld continuously gives us just money to spend on stuff we really don't need, but I will be happy to accept.
It's
nice to have.
No money. So.
Right, and of course now we'll have some really nice looking SeaWorld glasses.
Yeah.
So we'll definitely be back next month. Next month, July, is the month of pass member surprises.
Oh.
So we know that we have $10 of $10 again per pass member, and then they said random surprises throughout the month. So who knows what that'll mean.
Interesting.
But I think we'll be back for sure. We also haven't come and really done much other than the fireworks in a while, so I'd like to visit the penguins, maybe do a roller coaster.
Yeah.
So we'll definitely have to come for a more extended trip in the summer, as well as heading out to Busch Gardens again. So definitely subscribe if you want to see those trips. Give it a feel like if you enjoyed an updated look at the merchandise, and then of course Ignite. So good.
Amazing, as always.
As always. But that's gonna be it for today, so thanks for watching, and we will see you guys the next time we go to Disney and beyond.